How to create a travel itinerary with TripAdvisor. Well, you can always use the TripAdvisor AI trip generator to create a travel itinerary for you. Well, how you can use it? Generally, you'll get the trips section here at the top. You can click on it and then you can select the AI trips created. However, if you do not have that option, click on saves and you can see create a trip with AI. Click on it. Now here you can first where do you want to go, you can choose a city or town. So I'll select Pokhara here, right? Then you want to select the date where you're going. For example, I'm going on September 10, 11, 12, sorry, 10, and I'll be here up until, for example, sorry, this 13 for 19. So you can see I've selected my dates, right? Then you can click on next. Then whether you're doing a solo trip, partner trip, friends trip. So I'll select solo trip. Are you traveling with pets? No. So if you have a pet, if you do have a pet and you're traveling with pet, then you can select it as well. And you can see what you're interested in. I'll select choose and experience and I'll select must see attractions. So click on submit after that. Now as you can see, it is now generating recommendations and now it will generate and create an itinerary for me. So you can see here thrilling adventures that I can do. What I can select here: Bungee Pokhara, ATV Adventure Tour, Jet Flyer, City here, rafting and paragliding. So you can see dinner picks for me, bar and grill, sky lounge, and here. Similarly, you can see authentic Nepalese culture experience. Now what I can do is I can proceed to select them one by one. I'll I can select this. For example, I want to go on ATV adventure tour and I want to do bungee jumping, right? So I've selected it. I'll just remove this here. If you want to remove something, you want to make sure it is on plus section. Then I will select here only the Sky Lounge. So I'll untick all this. And I want to do this restaurant. I want to check it out as well. You can always open it up and check out the reviews. I'm just doing it here for quick view. Then similarly, once you have done so, once you have selected, you want to click on next, then continue, or you can create an itinerary. Click on create an itinerary, click on create itinerary, and now it will create an itinerary for you. So this is how you can use the itinerary or how you can create an itinerary on TripAdvisor. I hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.